Hello dear traders, I'm Marina Generalova bringing you the latest economic calendar from InstaForex's TV. Investors will watch closely the following macroeconomic statistics during the latter half of the week. Thus, Great Britain will unveil its retail sales figures for February. According to forecast, the indicator has grown 0.5% on a monthly basis and 2.4% year-over-year. Last month, British retail sales dropped sharply with a decline of 1.5% against forecast of a 1% fall. This was mainly due to lower food store sales, however the annual reading rose 4.3%. The food store sales were down 3.4% in January, while sales in non-food stores jumped 0.4%. Meanwhile, the US will release its unemployment claims data. Analysts expect the last week's figure to come in at 326,000. Previous readings show a mixed picture. Thus, in the week of March 8 through 15, the indicator rose again after posting the 3-month low in the preceding week. The number of Americans filing for jobless benefits was 320,000 versus 315,000 previously. At the same time, economists expected stronger growth to 325,000. In the meantime, Japanese National Consumer Price Index data will be out on Friday. Analysts are calling for a slight rise of 1.5%. In January, Japanese consumer prices rose 1.4% year-over-year, up from analysts' expectations of a 1.3% increase and against a 1.6% rise in December. Core inflation, for which the Bank of Japan set the target of 2%, has accelerated by 1.3% on a yearly basis, thus matching economists' expectations and previous month's reading. On a monthly basis, consumer prices cooled by 0.2%, while core inflation eased by 0.3%. In addition, the following reports will be out. In the US, the Federal Open Market Committee members James Bullard and Sandra Pianalto will deliver their speeches. Meanwhile, the UK's Nationwide will report its house price index. The indicator is seen to rise 0.8% from the prior month and 9.6% compared with the previous year. The US final GDP reading is due as well. It is expected to rise 2.7% on a quarterly basis. Also, consumer spending data release is about to be unveiled. Moreover, the US will release its spending home sales figures. The index is projected to climb 0.2%. Next, in France, consumer spending numbers will be reported. The indicator is expected to be up 1% from the previous month. Also, French producer prices data will be unveiled. The indicator is anticipated to post a 0.3% increase. The UK will publish its current account data. Analysts forecast the trade deficit of £113.5 billion. GDP report will be out as well. The fourth quarter GDP is seen to rise 2.7%, while annual reading is expected at 2.7%. The euro area will disclose its several confidence indicators. Experts predict modest growth. The US will also release its personal spending and income data, and the states will also deliver its consumer sentiment measured by the University of Michigan. It is seen to come in at 80.6 points. Germany inflation data for March will be released. It is likely to rise 0.4% from the previous month. That's all for now. Stay tuned to be informed about the latest economic events. Goodbye!